Why is Elon Musk going big on Dogecoin? It was known that Elon Musk and podcaster Peter McCormack have gotten into a Twitter spat, with Musk responding to McCormack's lengthy Twitter thread. McCormack tweeted about the effect of the hype that Musk has said from his latest SNL interview. In response to that post, Musk clapped back saying, "Obnoxious threads like this make me want to go all in on Doge," which I'm sure has shocked many people. Let us tell you the reason behind all these speculations floating around. But before we get into it, do me a favor and smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for notifications whenever a new video is published. The Tesla CEO hinted in a Sunday afternoon Twitter exchange that the electric vehicle maker sold or may sell the balance of its Bitcoin holdings, causing the cryptocurrency's price to plummet. A possible sale comes just days after Musk posted that the business intends to keep rather than sell the Bitcoin it already owns, and use it for transactions like shifting to more eco-friendly energy sources. Musk has long been a proponent of cryptocurrencies, assisting in price rallies for digital currencies such as Bitcoin multiple times in the previous year. Tesla announced in a February SEC filing that it had purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. The electric vehicle genius appears to have changed his mind about Dogecoin, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, in recent weeks. Tesla also suspended Bitcoin vehicle purchases last week, citing concerns over the rapidly expanding consumption of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining. According to data center provider TREVOR, Dogecoin uses 0.12 kilowatt-hours of electricity every transaction, compared to 707 for Bitcoin. According to CoinMarketCap, the coin, which has a Shiba Inu dog as its emblem, has risen to become the fourth largest cryptocurrency with a total worth of $68 billion this year. A small number of significant businesses accept Dogecoin, yet its supply is limitless. Musk has since retaliated on Twitter against those who are skeptical of his views on Bitcoin. "He's playing games," Fred Wilson said, a founding partner of Union Square Ventures, in a tweet on Friday. "It isn't easy to take someone like that seriously. Because of it, I've lost a lot of respect for him in the previous year. Deep admiration for what he does with his talents," Wilson continued, less because of what he says in his tweets. Musk is also pursuing Dogecoin in more significant lengths. Last Monday, his aerospace company, SpaceX, announced that Dogecoin would be accepted as payment for the launch of the Doge 1 expedition to the moon. His recommendations have helped the coin's price rise, causing some dealers to adopt it. Coinbase, a cryptocurrency exchange, has announced that the digital coin will be available in the next 6 to 8 weeks. Dogecoin trading is already available on Robinhood and Binance, two major retail trading platforms. Musk must have opened past issues of Bitcoin trading. Tesla CEO Elon Musk became an immediate hero in the cryptocurrency community earlier this year when the company added Bitcoin to its balance sheet. Then he started tweeting about Dogecoin, a parody of the whole thing, and went from hero to troll in no time. With the statement he tweeted about sparing Bitcoin over Doge, he has opened an old wound in the crypto world. That remark may appear benign enough. After all, what's not to enjoy about faster and less expensive transactions? However, it hit directly at the heart of a long-running debate among the Bitcoin community over how the currency should scale. From 2015 to 2017, opposing visions for Bitcoin nearly split the Bitcoin community in half. The small blockers, for example, claimed that Bitcoin had to be a decentralized store of value, even if it meant high fees and long transaction times. Another group, with more substantial corporate backing at the time, wanted Bitcoin to expand into a platform for quick and low-cost transactions. They planned to increase the size of each Bitcoin block, providing more room for transactions and, in theory, lowering miner fees. The proponents of short blocks contended better ways to scale Bitcoin for payments, using so-called Layer 2 solutions. Adding more changes directly to the chain itself would become too expensive for anyone to host a full node to monitor the network, jeopardizing decentralization. After all, if you're willing to forego decentralization in exchange for speed, we already have excellent technologies, such as the credit card network and PayPal. The little blockers eventually won, and the significant blockers split off to become Bitcoin Cash, which has stagnated chiefly over the previous 3 years. Musk quickly reignited a long-dormant feud with this post. Memes are the lifeblood of the cryptocurrency realm. Bitcoin has already been treading water, with much of the interest shifting to meme coins, or DeFi, which have been more active on Ethereum and other competing chains. With Bitcoin trading significantly below its recent highs, Musk's reintroduction of the block size debate is just more irritant to the community. Cryptocurrency is sizing its position in the market. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, believes that digital currencies are here to stay. Mark Cuban, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, has the same sentiments. They aren't on their own. After the meme-inspired cryptocurrency, Dogecoin gained 10,000% this year. Rapper Snoop Dogg, Kiss frontman Gene Simmons, and Chef Guy Fieri all jumped on board. Following a record-breaking rally, athletes are flocking to larger cryptos like Bitcoin and Ether. Trevor Lawrence, the #1 NFL draft pick in 2021, has joined with Blockfolio, a global cryptocurrency investment app, and expects to deposit his signing bonus there. Digital currency is being experimented with by more people than simply hobbyists and prominent celebrities. Amateurs like Brooklyn, New York's Earl S. Bell are getting involved. He claimed to have been an investor for a decade and began investing in various cryptocurrencies approximately a year ago. "I regarded crypto as a form of liberation. I couldn't get enough work during the COVID era," says Bell, an architect by trade. "In the future, I want to release my coin." Bell claims that part of his goal is to provide bank-style safes for cryptocurrency investors to store their digital wallets. So, with all the buzz surrounding cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ether, should you join the craze as well? It depends on how much high volatility in your portfolio you can handle. Cryptocurrency prices are determined by supply and demand. Because the architecture of many cryptocurrencies ensures a high degree of scarcity, the rate at which a cryptocurrency can be exchanged for another currency can fluctuate greatly. Bitcoin proponents refer to it as a store of value, a term that has traditionally been reserved for safe haven assets such as gold, and believe that it is an excellent way to protect against inflation. This is because Bitcoin does not have an infinite supply. In reality, the cryptocurrency has only 21 million Bitcoins available for mining, and only roughly 18 million have been mined. Bitcoin mining is the process of producing Bitcoins. It uses a lot of resources to keep the number of Bitcoins in circulation under control. Other digital tokens grew in popularity as a result of the Bitcoin frenzy. Ethereum is a blockchain-based software platform created in 2015. It is primarily used to support Ether, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with a market cap of more than $400 billion. It recently surpassed $3,900 to set a new all-time high, gaining more than 400% in 2021. On the other hand, the supply of Ether is unrestricted, and new tokens are created like Bitcoin mining. What's with crypto, and how should you handle it? Cryptocurrencies are not government-backed money, nor are they a share of a firm like a stock. Experts think the criteria that determine their fundamental value are uncertain. According to Atay Goldstein, a professor of finance and economics at the University of Pennsylvania's Wharton School of Business, the price of a stock should represent the present value of future profit that a company is expected to earn. It's all up in the air when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Investors who are new to the market should proceed with care. Experts warn that putting all of your savings into something as unpredictable as cryptocurrencies put your retirement in danger. Due to their vast fluctuations, wealth managers and finance specialists have long been cautious of these risky trades for inexperienced investors. The dangers are enormous. Cryptocurrency prices are volatile. People who invested in Bitcoin a few years ago may have made a significant profit. However, there were some significant decreases in between. Bitcoin began trading about $13 in 2013 and soared to over $1,000 by December. The digital currency skyrocketed to about $20,000 in late 2017, before plummeting to about $3,000 the following year, before surging to almost $64,000 last month. How will Musk plan to move forward? Since a sell-off prompted by Tesla, TSLA, plus 3.2%, billionaire Elon Musk and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin helped wipe $300 billion from the market this week. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have struggled. Over the previous 7 days, the price of Bitcoin has dropped by more than 20%, pulling down the whole crypto market. Dogecoin, the meme-based cryptocurrency that recently soared into the top 5 in terms of market capitalization, has also lost ground, even with a surprise Coinbase bombshell. Many Bitcoin and cryptocurrency advocates are outraged by Musk's recent Dogecoin Twitter postings, fearing that the Tesla and SpaceX CEO's bold style would harm the budding technology. So whether the current stats will let you bargain in the crypto world, you must exercise great caution. Be on the watch for any market movements as it dramatically affects the flow of investments in the coming days. What do you think the step Elon Musk must have laid out in his plans? Will he ever step in and embrace Dogecoin? Or will he continue to sit back for a while? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Before leaving, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications on our future content. With that being said, see you in the next one.